Okay, so this is part 2 of the ESCI feedback report review. So now we get into a summary of your actual results. So again, these are the results for Lee, our sample participant. So here you have one page that gives you the overview. So again, it lists the 4 categories, self and then others, and then the individual competencies that are part of each one of those categories. Consistency of demonstration. So again, the results are framed in terms of how often you demonstrate this competency. So for emotional self-awareness, Lee, the total others, so the average of the others is the blue bar. The circle is the self-assessment, so very close here. And then the box is the comparison to the average of the norm group, which remember above was like 80,000 people. Here's the actual score that the others gave to Lee. So it's a scale of 1 to 5, where 5 would be consistently. So almost a 4. Self-management has 4 different competencies. So you can see that Lee scores highest by others on emotional self-control. Lee scored his or herself higher than the others did on positive outlook. Others scored Lee pretty high on the bottom 2 competencies. The second competency is the lowest. So if that adaptability is something that's important to helping Lee accomplish his or her goals, that might be identified on the learning plan as something to work on. Social awareness, again, empathy is the individual being able to recognize emotions in others. So again, here you can see that the others, the blue line, rated Lee higher than Lee rated his or herself. And then organizational awareness was the opposite, with the norm group or average higher than Lee's score. Relationship management has 5 different competencies. So this is all predicated on being able to have self-awareness, manage your own emotions, recognize the emotions in others, and then here is where you put it all together to manage relationships. So this is really an overall summary page, and because our version of the ESCI only has 1 category for raters, you're not going to get much different information. You're going to see it in a different format. So in the competency detail level, so this breaks down each of the competencies and shows you, if you had multiple raters, what the different groups rated you, but we only have 1 group of raters. I'm going to go beyond. I'm going to skip through this and show you some item detail. Okay, so here you get down to the question level. So we're in the self-awareness cluster. The specific competency is emotional self-awareness. And then these are the actual questions and how you and others on average rated you. So again, remember, we're just going to have self and others scores here because this version just gives us that information. So you have that question level detail about every cluster and every competency that you can look at to determine how the scores were developed. We'll also give you some ideas about how to develop and change your behavior. And then finally, you have the actual written comments that you and your raters put into the system. So again, you're just going to have yourself and others. So you'll have 2 categories of comments about strengths and areas where you could improve. There you go. So take a look at your results. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to meet with you one-on-one.